Now read sentence 2.
Have you checked the lost and found? Did John's comment make you angry?
The judge gave a lenient sentence. Was it harsh or light?
Which is a better place to build a sand castle, the beach or a city street?
If you solve a problem, do you find a solution or a cake?
Part B. Sentence build.
Find me. How? Did you?
Part E. Story retellings.
Ben went on a vacation to the beach. Ben's father went straight to the water and started swimming. Ben's mother enjoyed relaxing in the sun. Ben built a castle in the sand. Ben's father came out of the water and didn't see the sand castle, so he stepped on it. Ben was sad, but his dad helped him build another castle.
Part F. Open questions.
Should children be given the freedom to decide what to eat at meals, or should the parents choose what children eat? Why?
Congratulations. You have completed the test.